Decided early this morning that I wanted to take a trip down to Pasadena to check out, it's kind of like a Japanese dollar store similar to Daiso, but I think this place is a tad bit pricier, but I really wanted to check it out. It's only about an hour away from where I live. It's supposed to rain later on this afternoon, so I wanted to kind of beat the traffic. We made it here to Pasadena. I'm actually gonna meet up with Serene Wu here on YouTube. I'm gonna go grab poke, which I've never tried before. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find my way over there. Finished having lunch with Serene. I didn't even really get to vlog much because we were just really catching up because I haven't seen her since Lizzie's wedding, and that's been, you know, it's been a couple of months. So we were just catching up. I did vlog a bit of the poke that I ate. I didn't really vlog her food, but it was so nice seeing you, Serene. It's nice catching up with friends. So yeah, let's go head over to Miniso. At least once a week. Do work outside of the house because staying home also, like, I don't know, I don't think it's a good thing just to be cooped up in the house. You need to get out, and even if you're not going to buy anything, I think it's good just to be out and get some fresh air and walk around. So this past week, we had the opportunity to test out the 2017 Lexus GSF, which is a beautiful sports car. It's also economically friendly with gas. It is a keyless entry car. It's a 5-seater. I have nothing but wonderful things to say about this vehicle. Number one is all of the details with the leather interior, the red and black contrasting interior, which is super comfortable. My husband, son, and myself had so much fun just driving around in it. One of the best things I can say about this car is that this baby purrs, which I will let you guys hear in just a second. Number two is that it's definitely a head turner. It is one of those cars that when you see it, you can't help but look at it because that engine is super loud. The sound of the engine roaring is definitely music to my ears. Now, as for the amenities inside the vehicle, you have the touch heater as well as the air conditioner. All you have to do is just really slide your finger on the controls and you can control the air temperature. You have the seat warmers and seat coolers, both for the passenger as well as the driver. You also have this area which you're able to navigate with the radio as well as any of the settings that you may want to look up on the LCD monitor. You're also able to use the navigation by just moving this little bar left and right. They also provide you with 2 USB port chargers, which is always convenient, a beautiful sunroof. The best part about this car was that at the end of the week, we still had more than enough gas to last us for another couple of days, which I think is amazing for a car that is as sturdy, as powerful as this 2017 Lexus GSF. Thank you so much to Lexus for giving us the opportunity to test it out for a week. Our sandwiches, Veggie Delight on wheat bread. Darren got, what is it, yours? BLT? BLT white bread?
Italian.
Oh, Italian bread. No veggies.
At the post office mailing some stuff for my husband. I have no pen. I have nothing. And I have 2 packages to mail out. We are back again at Boba Master.
I don't know, we're obsessed with this place. I'm obsessed with this place, and my goal is to try every single one of their milk teas, their bobas, every time we're here in Valencia.
Have the purple, what is it? Purple lover smoothie. I'm guessing maybe it's taro flavor. Oh yeah, it is. This is taro and blueberries mixed with ice cream and mixed berries.
When in Valencia, go to Six Flags. Darren is not with me. He is with his CFCY friends, and I'm gonna go to Six Flags because, hey, got a season pass. There's like an hour left. Just want to go on a couple rides and go home. When I got here, I noticed that there were a lot of buses, a lot of people. I guess tonight there's something called Avid Youth, something like that. It's open between 6 to midnight, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But the park really closes at 6 p.m. So I'm wondering if staff are gonna they're gonna be checking if people have a wristband on, or, you know, will they let people stay in the park who are already here? So I don't know. Let's find out. 5:09 p.m. time, or if we even get kicked out of the park since we don't have a wristband. Alright guys, I'll see you guys after the ride. X2 was freaking amazing. I went on it twice. The track was super smooth. Hang on a sec. It's drizzling, but I mean it's not bad. Earlier it started to pour. The ride must go on, so that I thought was pretty cool. We are checking for wristbands before you go. Stand in the line, so I can't go on any more rides. I mean, at least I went on X2 twice.
Bye.
Bye. So we're here somewhere in the valley, a Korean shopping center, Greenland Market. I was just talking about taiyaki ice cream. They have it here. They have the taiyaki. I want to get it, but there are 3 in here, and no, there are 4. And these are just gonna melt. Look what else we found. The 2 times spicy ramen noodles. I was gonna order this off of Amazon. Might film it. Problem is that I don't think anybody's gonna eat this with me because Darren doesn't like spicy food. My husband, you know, he's pretty like camera shy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I still do the challenge? I love me some spicy food. You really wouldn't film it with me? It'd be fun. Let me know. Leave me your comments, thoughts. I'll share with you really quickly what we ended up purchasing. Lottie butter coconut sweet biscuits. Instant miso soup packets. 5-pack of the ×2 spicy hot chicken flavor ramen. Chocolate taiyaki ice cream. Let's try it. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Not bad. It's pretty good. Satisfied my sweet tooth. Back again at the post office, but this time we got our Sharpies.